So I've just been for a nice cycle ride around Chiang Mai. It's been lovely, and now I thought I'd come and see my friends. Hello! Hello! Hey! How you doing? Oh, these birds are so clever. They're so inquisitive. And you know what? Hello! Hey! How are you? And you? How are ya? Who is it? It's your boy, Sunil. You know what? If I could open these and let you free, you know I will. Let me devise a... Listen, I'll talk to the older one. Come here. I'm going to devise a plan. Alright? Today's Sunday. Let's do next Sunday. I'm going to free you lot. Alright? If the weather's good, you're out of it. Alright? Oh, bless. And look, they are inquisitive. Come over to this side. Hello. Hello. Oh. Hello. You're beautiful. You truly are. Hey. 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 He's trying to see my face. Hello. Hello. Oh man. It does sadden me. I don't know what they're doing in here because I'm guessing they sell them all their pets. I don't know. Yes. Yes. Oh, nice. Do again. Again. Yay. You're beautiful. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, wow. Listen, I'm gonna have to go now, but I will come back and see you, okay? Okay? Bye. Bye. Bye.